In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Loop, a versatile tool for collaborative projects and personal organization, ensuring that you and your team stay on the same page, no matter where you are. Microsoft Loop, with its components and canvases, allows you to create, share, and get productive together in real time. We'll start by navigating to the Microsoft Loop website. It all begins with a simple sign in. Click the Sign In button prominently displayed on the page. You'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Once you've typed in your credentials, hit the Next button to access your Microsoft Loop dashboard. This dashboard is your command center for all things Loop. Here you can manage, create, and share your Loop components and workspaces. Now let's dive into creating content within Loop. Navigate to your page within the dashboard. This is where your Loop components, essentially building blocks of your Loop pages, live. To add a component to your page, click on an empty line within the page. This is where the magic begins. Your ideas start taking shape as Loop components. Whether you're brainstorming ideas, tracking projects, or creating a knowledge base, this is your starting point.
Here comes the fun part. To add a component, simply type Nachlabis in the empty line. Upon doing this, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with a variety of component options to choose from. These components range from simple text notes and tasks to more complex elements like tables, files, links, or even your calendar. This feature is incredibly user-friendly, designed to make collaboration and organization effortless. Once you've decided on the component you need, click to select it from the drop-down menu. It will automatically appear on your page, ready for you to customize with your content. This could be anything from typing out a quick list of to-dos, crafting a detailed project plan, or embedding an important file. The choice is yours, and Microsoft Loop is designed to accommodate whatever your project demands. Finally, the hallmark of any collaboration tool is its sharing capability. To share a Loop component with your peers, look for the Share button located nearby. Clicking on this allows you to share your Loop component with colleagues, inviting them to view or edit in real time. Microsoft Loop's sharing features support cooperative work, enabling you and your team to stay interconnected and productive no matter the distance separating you. And there you have it, a quick guide to getting started with Microsoft Loop. By following these simple steps, you'll be on your way to enhancing your productivity and collaboration in no time. Remember, Loop is all about flexibility and cooperation, so dive in, start experimenting with different components, and see how Loop can transform your workflow today.